Hello, my dear friends. This video is an acknowledgement, a heartfelt note of thanks for architect Hitesh. I have just recovered from COVID and he was instrumental in my healing and getting over the disease. This is just a little bit about him because I've not met a healer of such pure intentions. I got to know him because we did NLP together. He for the umpteenth time, me for the first time. So that's where we connected. I myself am an architect, so there was a curiosity about, because he practices esoteric architecture. So I want to take a minute to share with you what I have been able to perceive of why his healing is so magical. You know that esoteric architecture or the architecture of the ancient India, where the term used is sthapitya, where they are complete. There is the total understanding of space. So a human's own energy field, consciousness, which can give you such an idea and input about what's happening inside the body and in the mind and the aura. And when you put all of that together with the number of modalities he has mastered, it is nothing less than magic that sitting where he is and just being approached by one of our common friends, or let's say another NLP coach, that please, she needs healing. He got onto it straight away, and the relief I felt from the time he began within the next half an hour of being able to breathe comfortably. And the way he's kept in touch with it, the method with which he goes, I don't know whether to call it theta healing or what, but even if I've reached out for healing for somebody else since then, even in general regarding matters of business or health or something regarding relationship, you without any date or time or face or photograph, architect Hitesh can give you such deep insight. So it's like it's a old world sage along with the spirit of the modern world, and to collect all the knowledge and to put it together in a package which one doesn't have to understand, but the healing speaks for itself. So I thank you so much, Hiteshji. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. The stage I was in, the way I was suffering with COVID, the way it appeared to be the end, and the way you brought me back from it, I thank you. And I once again acknowledge the healer that you are, the person that you are, the humanity that you possess, and the power that you have, the magic that is within you. Thank you so much.